Welcome back everyone to another Pro Tips video. We are looking at failure to send emails from Outlook. So a lot of times what would happen is you would see an email sitting in your outbox and it's not being sent. What you need to do is make sure that that email does not have too big attachments. That's the one thing. If you have an email size of like 100 megabytes, that will never send. So check that, and then all you do is you pull the email from, say now this was an email that was not one to be sent in my outbox, check the size of it and move it to your drafts folder perhaps. Then you can go to your drafts again, open it up again and amend it, and then you can try and send it again. That's it. That's all I wanted to put in this video. Have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.